Let's put some bacon on this griddle. Get some nice bacon grease on this thing. Little desert gold on this bacon. How do you make bacon better? Big Papa does. Almost brown enough. A little oil. Now we're going to do some water to steam it. Look at this. We're going to take my boxes and put them on top. Okay, we're going to check them in 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to check on the other stuff we got going. Okay, now time for the Thai chili sauce. I'm going to stir them up. Put them in a bowl, we're ready to rock. Let me just make sure they taste good. Yeah, I think they're really good.
Give us a bite.
It's really good.
Who's your favorite Papa?
Big Papa.
Big Papa, that's right.